Season 7 Episode 10 Caillou pulls the fire alarm /arrested /grounded. I'm going to go to school, ugh. I guess I have to go to my dad's car.
Let's go to the middle school, then the elementary school kids.
No, I don't want to go to school, I want to stay home. Ouch! What was that for?
For refusing to go to school, you bald cunt. You are going to school whether you like it or not. Now, let's go and stop wasting time. We need to go to school ASAP.
When Caillou got to school. I hate this place. I don't want to go to class. But at the end of the day, I have to. Wait, what is that thing? Let's go see. It's the fire alarm. I'm going to pull this fire alarm. Ha 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 ha.
Oh my god, what's that sound? There's a fire. Everyone get out of this building quick and possible.
Oh fuck. I need to escape ASAP.
When everyone got out of the building.
Is everyone out of the school?
Yes, Mr. Smith, everyone is out of the school.
I need to call 911.
911, what is your emergency?
There's a fire at Plugger Middle School.
Okay, we are sending firefighters right away.
When the firefighters were done investigating.
Looks like someone has pulled the fire alarm. I need to tell the principal.
So, is there any fire?
Sir, someone has pulled the fire alarm. I suggest you to call the cops.
Damn it! Thank you for letting me know.
This is 911. What is your emergency?
Someone decided to pull the fire alarm. This is at Plugger Middle School.
Alright, I'm coming.
When the cops came.
Alright, I got the fingerprinted machine. I'm going to check who pulled the fire alarm.
Thank you for coming.
Well, time to arrest Caillou for pulling the fire alarm. Looks like you pulled the fire alarm. You're under arrest. Come on, let's go.
Wah! Please don't arrest me. I'm sorry.
Apology denied. Get in the motherfucking car or I'll force your ass into the car. Let's go to the jail.
Washington, wah 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 wah.
Welcome back to jail, Caillou.
No, whoa, 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 whoa.
Also, you have some visitors.
Oh, Caillou, you fucking asshole. How fucking dare you pull the fire alarm? That's so it. You are grounded for another 100 days. By Caillou.
Wah! The end. Season 8 coming soon.